what you would suggest for people who considering this option? To buy property and after then to apply to residency? You can
Yes.
help with both direction. And
Yes.
it is
Yes.
bundle.
Yeah, of course. We've had clients that like that option. A lot of them are retirees that have their savings and they don't like the cold anymore in Canada and the States. And so they say, well, we want to buy a property in Mexico. So they come here, they contact us. We help them with the entire process of land finding. So they give us their objectives, they give us their price range, they give us what kind of amenities and what kind of community would they like to live in. Anything from food accessibility to weather to medical services. So we look up for properties based on those catering options that they want us to look for. We find something that's in a range of the price, and our job is to present them with options. From there, we take it in the more legal side of things, which is I think one of the advantages that Outbound has, that it really is a complete process from not just having a real estate agent and then having a lawyer and then having an account. We do everything in one stop shop. And so after that finding process happens, we do the legal side of things with a notario. The property is acquired. We go with the property papers, the escritura pública de propiedad, as we say in Spanish. And from there, we scan it, we send it to the embassy or consulate that you are located nearby. We set an appointment, you go, you get your investor's visa, and then you come here to Mexico. We do the canje at the Secretaría de Relaciones Exteriores, at the Instituto Nacional de Migración, the INM. And so they give you your residency card and you're good to go. That's
So
pretty much the
actually,
whole.